Hey guys, it's PK50. I'm here with the puppy. So, let me go get his. Let me go get his towel, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, I got this one, and I'll rub it on her. And it doesn't work. It doesn't work. See? It doesn't work. Ma'am. It doesn't work, Mama. Sorry, guys. Just to inform you, I told you it doesn't work.
Bummer.
So, and we can take them a bath. So now we'll take them a bath. What? No, I mean their faces. So here, guys, just gonna take them a bath with their face. Their bodies can't get wet, so I'll just do their face. So there she is. It's okay. It's okay.
Bummer.
Clean her face again. Dry. So now I'm gonna dry her face and put it right there. Just like that. So the next puppy is the oldest. She gets dry, and so the second one, the first one's hungry. So there she is. Let me dry her face off. Go with her big sister. Hello. So, now we're going to clean out the last one, and that'll be it. There it is. They're scared. They're waiting for their big sister. Cool. So there's the other one. Now they're happy. And now the mom is gonna get a makeover too. So we're gonna put it all over her face. Here she is.